Dear students, welcome to NRS YouTube channel. So in the previous class we discussed regarding LibreOffice. So in the LibreOffice we discussed different kinds of elements, right? So today we'll see the one more very important concept, that is edit the document, right? So in the LibreOffice, suppose if you have created a document, you need to edit it, right? So why we should edit the document? So we have so many reasons to edit the document, right? So the first is that suppose if you did any mistakes, or if you have any errors in the document, you can have to remove those errors. So to remove those errors, and if your report, if your document, if you want it is an error free, so that edit is must, right? So nobody has to go for the printing the report after whenever without editing the document. So if you have finished your working with the document, it means whether it is typing or whether formatting, whatever, so you have to review your document for the report, for the editing. So after editing, then only you have to go for report, printing the report. So right, so in the editing the document, so in your textbook he has given, that is how to go for undo and redo, right? So already in the previous classes, in the previous year, we have discussed that is what is undo and redo commands, right? So in that we discussed in Microsoft Word interface, and today we have LibreOffice. So in the LibreOffice, where we have the undo and redo, so you can observe the screen. So these are the undo and this is redo. So then what is undo and redo? So undo is nothing but the most recent change in a document, right? So undo in the sense, suppose here I will make you the most recent change. If you want make the same change again back, you that we call it as undo. And redo in the sense, the most recent change what we have made undo. If you want the same change again in the future, so that we have to call it as redo command, right? So what is an undo and redo? So once I will show you that how to do work with the undo and redo. So look at the screen, all of you, please. So here I will write something, right? So what I have typed, information technology. So in information technology, I don't want that technology or information technology of class 9th, right? So here I will type information technology of class 9th. So here I don't want of class 9th, so I will remove it. I will remove information technology of class 9th. I have removed. So suppose if you want the same text again, the most recent change what you did, just you have removed of class 9th. Suppose later if you come to know that no, that is the only correct, that only is the correct, that information technology of class 9th is the correct sentence, then if you want the change again, right? So no need to type re again, right? No need to retype the text. So just you can go for undo command. So here we have undo. So when I have removed that one, this is become an active, right? Okay, you can observe here, delete of class 9th. So these are the most recent changes you have made with the document. Suppose if you want that of class again, so that is called undo. To make the recent change again back, so that is called undo. So click on undo, right? So this is undo, right? Suppose if you come to know that no, the only information technology is the enough, right? So then that we call it as again the whatever the changes you have made, what you have made changes, you have added of class 9th again. Suppose if you want to make it redo, if you make redo, what will happen again? The off class will be removed, right? That is the most recent change again, right? So for that you have to click on redo, right? So this is what we have, undo and redo. Okay, so in the next class we'll see how to select the text and what are the shortcut keys to use to select the text, and what is the vertical block of text, right, in Microsoft, sorry, in a LibreOffice writer. So regarding that we'll see in the next class. Thank you.